Hello world. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cyria Temagnombe, and I'm 23 years old, proudly to represent my beautiful country Madagascar here today. I'm here just not as a contestant, but I'm here as a young girls who believe the power of the beauty of a purpose. I inspired by the woman who rises after the many fears, because that's me. When I was crowned Miss Madagascar, some people hate me. I was hated, I was judged, but I'm standing here today proud as a leader, and they hate me because I'm not enough for them, and I'm not enough to join Miss World. So I did it, and we did it, girls, and I'm so proud of me. I'm so proud of the Miss World to protect me, to receive me here today. So my beautiful purpose is children with albinism protection. What is albinism? Albinism is a condition where person's skin, hair, eyes are very light because they lack melanin. So this condition makes them very sensitive in the sun. In Madagascar, some people with albinism face many challenges in their life, like society, health, economic, but the most challenge in their life is not her health, but it's how society treats them in Madagascar. And that's why I'm here. Sometimes people with albinism face discrimination and murder in Madagascar, but children with albinism are the most vulnerable to kidnappings and sacrifices. You know, it's not fair. It's just unhuman, and I'm here to use my voice as a spokesperson and bring this aspect as a Miss Madagascar, because it's not fair as a human. They are human like me and like you. When I was a little girl, I felt safe with my family and loved, but these children, they don't have these strengths, because in Madagascar we have just one center who receive these children because their parents bring them in this center. So I was with them and I felt this insecurity, and I told myself, when they met me, they are so happy because finally one person bring our voice in the world, and that's why I'm here today. And you know, I'm a big sister. I have two brothers and I have two little sisters. So sometimes I told myself, if they are in the same situation, and imagine you have your baby and someone else bring your baby to sacrifice because of the superstitions, because they believe bad. So I'm here today, and my message today is, let's protect every child in the world, no matter their skin color, no matter their condition, because they are children, they are so innocent. So I'm here, Cyria, Miss Madagascar. I'm their voice, I'm their strength, and I'm their hope. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madagascar. Now, to the island of
Fahalalmerabatsika rehetra mpanaraka ny page ny tenako tovindraindro ny fulgence, ny antony dia misy zava-baovao zay fahenonareo fa identifie ny tenako. Noho zay antony zay dia eto mizara an'izay hafaliana zay amintsika rehetrarehetra, satria efa faly ihany koa nareo. Dia mahakasika n'ilay Miss Madagascar izay antsoina hoe Cyria Temagnombe, nanaraka cours d'anglais tao amin'ny Haïtien nandritry ny efabolana izy a. Maro ny zavatra nianjady taminy, na ny fandrabirabina sy ny sisa fa tsy nakivy ny Cyria Temagnombe izany fa de niezaka izy nanaraka ny sosikevitra avy taty aminay zay miaraka karakara Miss Madagascar zay fiaraha-miasa ny ITTI sy Miss Madagascar efa ela be fa nilalaza moa zany de tamin'ny alalan'ny Cyria Temagnombe ka eto zany dia miencourage azy ary mampahery anao zao zanabavy haneho aminay rehetrarehetra fa mahavita anao haneho aminay rehetrarehetra malagasy rehetrarehetra fa reharehanay gasy anao ary tadidio fa ny speech nataonao amin'ny teny anglisy dia manamarina fa niezaka anao ary niezaka ataonao henon'izao tontolo zao amin'ny teny anglisy ny tena natoseny foko de le hoe varira fiarovana ny varira zay efa fantatra ombenombeny eto Madagascar fa dia victime zavatra maro zany varira zany ka noho zany eto zany hafatro any rehetrarehetra dia ny tokony isian'ny fifankatiavana isian'ny firaisan-tsaina amin'ny sehatra international ohatran'io fa tsy ho variana tsika amin'ny côté négatif na zavatra problème fa eto zay de miantso ny malagasy rehetrarehetra satria araka teneniko teo amin'ny mampanabe de mino fa ny olona rehetrarehetra dia manana chance ny olona rehetrarehetra dia manana fahafahana mijoro sy afaka mitondra ambonin'ny tenany ho reharehany manodidina azy indrindraindrindra fa Madagascar dia mampahery anao zanabavy tohizo omano ninona azonao tao ataovo ho reharehany Madagascar ITTI dia mbola miara-miasa foana amin'ny Miss Madagascar nizaniza ny olona zay efa nandalo mbola te handalo ao anatin'izany Miss Madagascar zany dia tohizo maro ny zavatra mety andalovanao fa azakify manome courage anao we are with you Cyria keep up the good work don't forget that you did it today and it was touching and it was amazing okay bye bye